2008 VW Rabbit, 2.5 liter, with got an air intake on it, got factory converter there, factory resonator, then factory pipe and another resonator. Then we continued it, it's 2 1/4 pipe all the way back, and did a muffler delete right there. He's gonna see how he likes it for the next couple of weeks. And if he does, then we're gonna add him a tip. This is the muffler that we took off right there. Flat pancake looking thing. Weird pancake looking thing, but yeah. So that's how you do a muffler delete on these. Let you guys hear it in a second. Go ahead. Want to take another resonator off? Again? Sound decibels again? It's at 83.
I'll be driving down the interstate.
All right, go ahead and back it up. I was expecting it to be a little bit louder than that. I think if you leave the little small resonator, the first one, take the second one, the other one that looks like a pancake, I think you'll be happy with it. But you don't want to drone either. So yeah, drive it for a week and see how you like it. Let you guys hear on the inside. Are you losing power, or what is it doing? What are the symptoms you're having?